In a world where sustainability takes center stage, the shift towards electric vehicles, EVs, has become an undeniable force. As the wheels of innovation turn, one burning question echoes: how much does it truly cost to charge your electric car? Join us on an electrifying journey as we unravel the mysteries behind home, charging, and public stations, bringing you a comprehensive overview that might just spark your interest in the future of driving. Home charging, the power in your hands. The beauty of charging your electric car at home lies in the convenience and control it offers. A typical home charging station installation involves the purchase of a Level 2 charger and, of course, the associated installation costs. While these upfront expenses vary, they often range from $500 to $2,500 depending on factors like charger brand, power capacity, and installation requirements. The cost per kilowatt-hour (kWh) of electricity is the primary factor influencing your at-home charging bill. On average, residential electricity rates in the United States hover around 13 cents per kWh. This means that charging an EV with a 60 kWh battery from empty to full would cost roughly $7.80. Public charging stations, on-the-go solutions. Public charging stations offer flexibility for EV owners who may not have the luxury of home charging. The costs associated with public charging can vary widely. Some stations are free while others charge per kWh or per hour of charging. Public charging rates generally range from 10 to 30 cents per kWh, with additional fees for time-based charging. The convenience of quick chargers, Level 3, often comes at a premium, with rates reaching 40 to 60 cents per kWh. Calculating the true cost of ownership. To understand the overall cost of owning an electric car, it's crucial to consider charging efficiency, travel patterns, and the variety of charging options available. While home charging may be cost-effective, public charging stations provide the necessary backup for longer journeys. As we navigate the electrified roads of the future, knowledge is our most potent fuel. Subscribe to our channel, share this electrifying overview with fellow enthusiasts, and hit the notification bell to stay charged with the latest updates on the electric revolution. Together, let's drive change and pave the way for a sustainable tomorrow. To optimize your EV charging costs, consider a hybrid approach. Invest in a home charging station for your everyday needs, leveraging lower residential electricity rates. For road trips or unforeseen situations, familiarize yourself with nearby public charging stations and their pricing structures. By combining the best of both worlds, you can maximize convenience and minimize costs, contributing to a greener, more sustainable future.